So guys, I made this quick battle that I just hit on this. Once again, it's a bunch of Spartans versus armies of boomers and berserkers. Just hope someone will get knocked into the water. It's not gonna kick me. There's a whole bunch of boomers. Be on careful lookout. No, not very really or not. One day just exploded to death. Can't tell if he's. That's it. That's pretty nice. Why are they going flying? I'm wondering why they're considered. They're all interesting. There's not even the boomers anymore because they're just hitting their own allies. Tridents are enough to kill the berserkers. I think the berserkers are just killing them. If they can get rid of the rest of them, they could have held them off. I got you. Now they're just beating them up. And it's failing hopefully. It's a great battle, we'll see who lasts. You got it, you got it. Next battle. I'm thinking of doing another Trident, just since there's gonna be a whole bunch of Tridents. Army chills. I'm just finding the things. Oh wow, they just messed it up. How much damage did they do? I spawned in one. I was wondering if I jump from my height, is he gonna do a jump? He's not gonna do a jump. Why aren't you gonna jump? That can save you, actually. Doing that area attack is not gonna help you. These swords are just too strong. Next! You just watch this, people. Like two people there. This is sad display of how strong things can be if they don't do much damage. You see how much damage things can do to wow. Release the ogres into the battle. Ogres are now into the battle. I'm so confused where to go. This is so sad. Now we're into the double team. He knew which killed half of them from the fire. Every time on fire, even very healthy on the back. Like, there's one where it says hail, paint or something. And that is how it's done. Next one. If he kills this thing, we're bringing in the double ones. Double fire. Is he biting him? No, he's hitting him. What is this? Now they're knocking back each other. This stupid was funny. Long time. He wins. Yay. Next. For some reason I'm rigging a tank against someone fleshy. I'll beat the tank. Oh, he can't do shit. I always wonder if I place an explosive barrel, what will he do? Like, what if there's like an there's nothing that there's in it. Sorry. This is sad. Good, he can't kill them. We have learned that. I got one. Knowledge. Knowledge is power. When this enemy, he uses his power of knowledge to his advantage. Do you know the way? Do you know the way? No, Mr. Freeman, don't talk. Get behind what you said. Oh, knowledge. Controller, suicide. Protect your life. Oh! Oh, I love this guy for that reason. No matter what you throw at him, he throws everything that's a prop back. Like that. Let's spawn in 2 then and see how smart he is. No. Protect him. What's all these props? They like disappeared. Oh, he be dead, bro. Warp. Who's this warp? Come on, Mr. Freeman. Come on. What are you doing? Don't fight your ally. No, you're your ally. Nope. Nope, they're just companions now. Okay, that was weird. Next one, I guess. Not really much I can show you, is there? There's a bunch of cute bugs. Watching them. I like hey grab just bug formats. Put on my dance. Weird. Sorry, I forget that thing. What do you mean you're not even shooting at him? What is he doing? He doesn't know doing. He's mentally confused. This is how funny AI can be. They're just stupid occasionally. Even though. Let's just stop. It's way too funny watching him try. Okay. So how we do this? Plus Black Magic version versus yeah, that was it. Everybody. Ooh, I got one. I remember it's like this creature from like yesterday. There's a bunch of annoying spiders. I forgot how badly it's not back power was. It's like he doesn't get knocked back easily unless you bring him in the air and he's knocked back. I just wanted to see that. Oh, he's triggered. Wait, this is giving me the ultimate idea. It's actually hilarious because someone's just going for the minions. I don't know many doors. More! I want more. He just knocked back his own spider. This is sad. This is actually sad watching how long it takes to kill a simple queen. We have 2 minutes left. Can they not kill the queen? Oh. Have you killed at least one? Because now you're just knocking back the rabies. Just kill one! Right now, there's like 18 more. What's the final minute? One goes down and they say one, and I'll be showing them again. If they don't, the Spider Queen will be showing. Come on. They have 10 seconds left, and they kill them in 10 seconds. Nope, they lose. See you next time with the Spider Queens. The Spider Queen has been introduced into the match. Have fun when we see everything. Get up here. Go back in the cage. Get back in your cave.